To create a service record, you can do so manually by clicking on the Quick key and then selecting Fleet List. Choose the car for which you wish to create a service record and click the Settings option. From there, you can create a new service record. You can also do this using the mobile app. Go to the Inventory tab, click on the car's profile picture, select the Services tab, and then create a new service record by clicking the plus button in the top right corner. Add services from the list using the same plus button and fill in the required information. Once you click Submit, you'll be prompted to set the type of bill. Add a new bill and enter the payment details.